girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the koala in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? In my face, sending action. These days no Kumaye, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I D.I.E.
I'm finna stand tall in it, in it. You be on my back like a cardigan. Baller again, I'm in love with your friend. We be doing that, you hide the evidence. It's evident that you're ready to ride. I'm up in my Jeep and put your body to the side. Go against the game, you must be ready to hide. Swinging on the corner, big my tape till it pops. Thought I was a goner, place to your honor. Burn marijuana, deep dive in the sauna. Hotter than the sauna, I made it as a lotto. Call up baby Prada, she popped it for the dollar. Don't stick around, she say, you can hit my phone if you need some help. Don't stick around, she say, you can hit my phone if you need some help. Like a cardigan, baller again, I'm in love with your friend. We be doing that, you hide the evidence. It's evident that you ready to ride. I'm up in my Jeep and put your body to the side. Go against the game, must be ready to hide. Swinging on the corner, bag my tape till it pops. I thought I was a goner, Drag me like 2 hours to your family's hospital. Said you need some time, but I should stick around for more. Always felt like sticking around the same experience, love. And like guns with the aching, you're getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga confidence, got me too excited. Yeah, play me, play me. Low down, dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for a living, but it's way less wavy. How you even managing to keep straight faces and all the pictures that I've seen lately? Lord knows you still look amazing. That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated. I have to force it, I have to fake it. You have potential, I could've shaped it. You went and caved in, we could've waited. I wasn't rushing, difference in ages. You're old enough, but you're still a baby. You shared stories when you did amazing. Things to be loyal, things to be patient. That was before me, I must have changed it. Shifted your focus, let's look at jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around when you chase it. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you fail.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Domthetastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for IShow hair, and today I'm reviewing something very different from them. A lot of times that I've worked with them, I usually review like natural colored hair, and this is a bright red lace front unit, you guys, and I absolutely love it. So I went ahead and added just like some light curls in the front, and I really like how they turned out. They're very subtle and they just do exactly what needs to be done. And this is a 24-inch unit. Not a lot of companies offer red hair like this, you know what I mean? Like this just already done for you. Of course you can get blonde hair and do this yourself, but it's always great when you can actually skip a couple of steps and get something that's already colored for you and ready to go. So one thing that I do want to mention about this unit is that the density was really thick in the frontal area. So if you get this unit, just be prepared to be plucking for a while, because it took me a good like hour and a half to pluck this unit to get it looking very natural, because this is a very dense unit. However, it's not like too thick when you actually wear it, you know, but the actual frontal area is definitely on the fuller side. In my part, I did put some concealer. This is a concealer that I use. This is the LA Pro concealer in the color Fawn. So if you are in my skin tone, this is what I use, you know, just to get the part to stand out a lot more. Nonetheless, I really do like how this turned out. This is where it's hitting in the front. This side is a little bit more curled than this side, because at first I was gonna leave it straight, but then I decided to like actually curl it, so that's why this side is a little bit more curled. Yeah, I did use this to tint the lace in this unit, so if you are of my skin tone, you know, this is the color that I like to use. And let me tell you guys, it is so important to tint your lace. It really makes a huge difference, and it's really gonna help like mask your lace and make it work for you. And first of all, can we talk about the fact that there are no flyaways in this hair? Like, that's one thing that I really like about it. You don't see any flyaways anywhere. It's just nice and smooth, and we love that. Shout out to IShow for sending over this gorgeous unit, because they really did their thing. I'm really liking this one. It just looks so smooth and healthy, and I love the shine to it. It's an amazing unit. Oh, also before I go, this is the curling iron that I use. This is the Conair curling iron. I don't know the size for this one, but I will leave the link for this down below. Hopefully, if I forget, just remind me in the comment section, and then I'll make sure that I link it below. But I got this from Target years ago, but they still sell it, and it's like $20-something for this, and it's lasted me for years. So definitely good investment, and it's really chic and cute. It's rose gold and white, so it just looks like really expensive. But yeah, that's what I use to curl my hair, and I think a lot of you guys are gonna love it as well. So if you want to give this unit a try, definitely check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit, along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I missed in today's video and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as possible. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, IShow Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.